The Baker Hughes SCXP Extreme Performance Sand Control System provides a simple-to-operate but very versatile solution that can be used for open-hole gravel packing or frac packing. It was specifically designed to meet deep water completions challenges and severe reservoir demands. The game-changing SCXP system is not a mere improvement on existing methods. It's designed to succeed in extreme conditions, which will take global sand control completions to a new performance standard. When running in hole, the system allows a high rate of conveyance. The groundbreaking ZXP element technology of the SCXP packer allows for the bottom hole assembly to be run in as fast as the rig crew can make up the drill pipe. Once at depth, it snaps into the sump packer. The SCXP is a V0 rated, high-performance retrievable sand control packer. Fully compatible with high-pressure, high-temperature operations, this extreme performance packer can also withstand high tailpipe loads and set-down weights. The SCXP extension comes in 3 tiers of performance: Extreme Frac, Standard Frac, and Gravel Pack. The extension sliding sleeve is locked in both open and closed positions, avoiding unintentional movement. Lower extension inner profiles are timed to correlate with movements of the service tools for each step of the sand control operation. The SCXP crossover tool movement is limited by boundaries generated due to the interaction of its service tools and the packer. The hard boundary indicates the treatment position, which is the lowermost position the crossover tool can move after being released from the packer. The soft boundary indicates the reverse position, which is the uppermost position the crossover tool can move without metering through the metering locator. If enough tension is applied, the metering locator will be actuated and the crossover tool can continue an upward movement. The hard boundary and soft boundary delimiting the movement of the crossover tool, even with a high heave and bad weather conditions. Proppant travels out the muzzle inserts in the extension ports, distributing the flow downward to the formation in a homogeneous parallel flow to the casing, preserving the casing integrity. The system combines high pump rates and extreme proppant volumes, giving it the ability to treat larger zones, while minimizing failure risk due to erosion and safeguarding the casing at the same time, increasing the completion longevity. The SCXP system minimizes operation time by allowing quicker deployment. It reduces overall operation intrinsic risk with its single treatment position, simplifying the operation and reducing rig time. Positive locating in all positions. The SCXP is designed to maintain weight down capability in treatment position by setting down weight on top of the packer. It also provides a positive upward indication of the reverse circulate position. Reverse position with set down weight positively locates the SCXP crossover tool on the reverse position, keeping seals static for reverse circulate. The SCXP system simplifies the operation, increases the operational window, and increases the performance envelope with higher pressures and temperature during operation and production. It allows higher production rates with higher differential pressures and optimized geometry. For more information, contact your local Baker Hughes sand control representative.